It's heating up. Oh my god, I love this. So I'm gonna let it sit while it heats up. Come right back. It's all the way hot. Let's see. It's really hot. So let me talk about the specs. It is a 2-inch curler from Amazon, as y'all saw, and it has a digital thermometer, or whatever you want to call it, the temperature reader or gauge, buttons, temperatures up and down, swivel cord. Love the aesthetic of it. It gives that well-known TikTok curler look. You know what I'm talking about. But yeah, let's see how it actually curls. Let me see if this is hot. It's getting there. Let's drop the curls. Alright, so that's curl 1 down. I'm gonna do the rest of the hair and then come back. But look at this. Alright, so definitely a curler that you should try. The curls are beautiful. Gonna try it on a fresher install next time, but go over to Amazon and buy it.